Not sure who's aware, but APRS SMS text messaging from your cell phone to ham radio has been reworked and figured out thanks to the mic NA7Q. I've talked to Mike a few times over the years on the Pacific Northwest digital system, big DMR system they have out there. Great guy. I also talked to Mike NA7RF, another great guy on that system, as well as others you'll check out. But anyways, let's get on with this video. You can now send SMS to your cell phone, and I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, from the cell phone back to ham radio. WinLink weather. There's other bots or tools, terms of service, and it's privacy policy. So this took a lot of work, a lot of energy. So click on that blue link, support the service on Patreon, and donate them a few bucks. Probably spend more than that on coffee every day on your way to work. So have something working in ham radio. It's worthy to support those who support us, or at least that part of the hobby that you might have an interest in. So once you're on this page, scroll down, enter in your phone number. You're going to see here I live in Vermont. I blanked out the rest of my phone number. I just hit the opt in, but if you ever want to opt out, you can do that as well. And this is the message I received on the webpage once I opt in, and now it's sending me something to my cell phone. And here's the message from the APRS wiki that I'm all set up and signed up. This is pretty simple. This is slick. I was unaware this was actually working, but my friend Todd, KB7RQQ, who's friends with Mike NA7Q, part of the Bigfoot repeater system. I can't remember if that's the true name of it, but there's a Bigfoot system in the Hazeldale, Washington area. He sent me the link. So I just want to say thank you, Todd, for letting me know about this, and I got to put this to use in the future here.